The Tale of the Elephant, the Bird, and the Squirrel in the Forest. In the heart of a lush forest, there lived an elephant named Raj. Raj was a mighty and kind-hearted elephant. Every day, Raj strolled through the forest, marveling at the beauty of nature and the small creatures that called it home. One day, Raj encountered a little bird named Bella. Bella was a beautiful bird with colorful feathers. Raj and Bella became great friends. They would often soar through the skies together, sharing stories about their adventures in the forest. One sunny morning, Raj and Bella were walking when they came across a squirrel named Tommy. Tommy was a nimble and spirited squirrel. He was astonished to see Raj and Bella, but soon enough, they all became friends. Raj, Bella, and Tommy explored the forest together. They discovered a crystal-clear river and towering trees that provided shade. They also encountered various animals such as turtles, deer, and rabbits. One day, while Raj, Bella, and Tommy were frolicking in the forest, they heard a sorrowful cry. They followed the sound and found a lost baby elephant. The baby elephant's name was Buddy. He felt sad and scared because he had gotten lost in the forest. Raj, Bella, and Tommy quickly comforted Buddy and tried to help him. Raj used his trunk to lift Buddy and carried him back to his family. Bella and Tommy thanked Raj for showing such kindness. From that day forward, Raj, Bella, Tommy, and Buddy became inseparable friends. They spent their time together in the forest, exploring new places, and helping creatures in need. Their friendship became legendary in the forest. All the animals knew about Raj's kindness, Bella's cheerfulness, Tommy's cleverness, and Buddy's bravery. They all learned to love one another, lend a helping hand, and care for their environment. Eventually, the forest became a peaceful and harmonious place, thanks to the bond they shared. And they lived happily ever after.